Okay, this question was asked by Navina. This is TP6 question, which I very difficult to handle if you do not know the proper way. Okay, let's go through with the question first. A sport complex provide the badminton court facilities. The complex charge an annual membership fee of 40 ringgit. Membership, that means for the members. The rental per hour for the badminton court for member and non-member is shown in the table below. Okay. For a person enrolled as a new member, for a person enrolled as a new member, what is the minimum number of hours for the court rental in a year so that the total cost paid by member will be more affordable compared to a non-member? So this question got a lot of hidden meanings. You need to crack down. For example, they didn't give you how many. We know that for member 12 ringgit per hour, 18 per hour for non-members, but we don't know how many members they how many hours they are spending, right? That is the unknown part, so that will be our unknown. So we create an unknown for it, we define an unknown for it, and we try to solve this. Okay, first of all, we don't know the number of hours, right? So let, okay, I think I use red color lah. Let maybe x be the number of hours for the court rental in a year. For the court rental in a year. Okay. So now, for a member, how much is what is the equation we need to find? For member, they need to pay 40 ringgit. Don't forget that. And 12 ringgit per hour. So 40 ringgit plus 12 ringgit per hour. If they play for 2 hour, 12 times 2. They play for 3 hour, 12 times 3. If they play for X hour, 12 times X. Okay. And for a non-member, no need to pay 40 ringgit, just 18 ringgit and how many hours you are playing. Okay. We got two equations here. Now we need to change it into inequalities. Okay, what is the minimum number of hours for the court rental in a year so that the total cost paid by the member will be affordable? That means cheaper. Affordable na another cheaper. That means member is cheaper than non-member. அதாவது 40 plus 12x member is less than or equal to non-member, which is 18x. Just solve it. Okay, just solve it. So when you solve it, 40 equal to 18 minus 12x, sorry, 18x minus 12x. Okay, so you get 40 is less than or equal to 6x. So I change the position. If I change the position, symbol will change. So x must be more than 40 over 6. So when you simplify, x is more than 20 over 3. So we can make a conclusion here is the minimum. What is the question? The minimum number of hour in a court rental in a year. Okay, the minimum hour for the court rental in a year. For the court rental in a year is 20 over 3 hours. 20 over 3 hours means how much? 20 over, just write 20 over 3 hours means lebih kurang 6.67 hour lah. Okay, I just put like this, or you can want to make it in hour and minute also can lah. Okay, so if you make hour and minute, 20 over 3. 6 over 3 hours. Mix numbersலையும் கொடுக்கலாம். Or 6 hours. ஆனால் அவங்க how many hours தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So no need 6 and minute lah, I guess. So 6 to 2 over 3 hours lah. Okay. The next question. Let's look at the next question. Also another look like a bit tough question. For Form 1 it will be a bit tougher. Okay, but you need to train. Ganesh is offered a job as an electrical sales agent by two companies. Berjaya company offer wages with a fixed rate 60 per day and extra commission 30% of his sales. Okay. And then Maju company at fixed rate also 40 per day and extra commission 5% from his total sales. Calculate the minimum total sales to the nearest RM that Ganesh need to obtain such that Maju company is a better choice. Okay, Maju company is where is Maju is coming from? Oh, okay, the second Maju company offer 40 per day plus 5% of its total sales. Okay, first company Berjaya company 60 ringgit per day, 3% commission. Maju company means 40 per day, but 5% commission. Calculate the total, calculate the minimum total sales. ஓகே இப்போ வந்து நம்ம வந்து சேல்ஸ் வந்து என்னன்னு தெரியல, அதுதான் தேடணும். அப்போ அதை தான் நம்ம let பண்ணணும். Let x be the, maybe different colors, too much glare for me. Let x be the minimum total sales. Okay, minimum total sales. Okay, வச்சுக்கலாம். Let x be the minimum total sales. ஓகே, இப்போ பெர்ஜாயா கம்பெனியோட பார்ப்போம் எப்படி வருதுன்ட்டு. ஓகே, பெர்ஜாயா கம்பெனியை அவங்களுக்கு வந்து எப்படி வரும்னா, பெர்ஜாயா வந்து 60 per day plus 3% of his total sales. 3%, இந்த 3% வந்து நம்ம டெசிமலில் மாற்றி வச்சுக்கிறது நல்லது. 0.03. Easier for us to calculate something. 0.03. ஐயோ ஒரு மாதிரியா இருக்குது இதில் எழுந்துறதுக்கு. ஓகே, நம்ம யூஸ் பிளாக் கலரில் பேசிக். ஓகே, ரைட். பெர்ஜாயா கம்பெனி பார்த்தோன்னா 60 ringgit plus 0.03 commission from his total sales. Total sales, what we represent total sales? X, right? So 0.03 x. And 3% of his total sales. It's supposed to be 3% off na darat. Total sales is x. So 3% kita tukar jadi 0.03. Darab x, kita letak x sajalah tepi dia. Okay, this was what the Berjaya company offering. And Maju company. Maju is 40 ringgit and 5% of his total sales. So it will be like that. 5% tukar jadi 0.05. You want to be Maju to be a better choice. Apana Maju is greater than the Berjaya. So if you want Maju to be a better choice, Maju is greater than or at least equal to Berjaya. So what is the minimum sales we need to sell? Okay, so Maju வந்து இப்போ என்ன அதோட equation பார்த்தோன்னா 40 plus 0.05x, okay, greater than or equal to Berjaya company is 60 plus 0.03x. Okay, so we compare both sides, got x means we take out the 0.03, the smaller one to the other side. So 0.05x minus 0.03x greater than or equal to 60 60 minus 40. Okay, so இது solve பண்ணா 0.02x greater than 20, so x equal to 20 divided by 0.02, so x must be greater than 20 divided by 0.02 1000. So நம்ம என்ன ஜவாப் பண்ணோம்னா Ganesh need to obtain 1000 sales. Okay, so that's all. Very good question, very very confusing question, but let this be a starting for you to familiarize with this type of questions lah. Familiar with this type of question. All right, familiarize yourself with this type of questions. All right, so that's all. Okay, thank you.